It's a lovely language but a difficult one. But here we have the speculated particular points of theory merged with a true practical experience.
I officially welcome you all to today's workshop.
Mr. Bhupesh and the team, Sim Labs.
Indeed, it was quite realistic. The anatomy was very much precise. The confidence in handling the complication has increased a lot.
So it's a great honor to have been welcomed as a faculty for a Sim Labs one simulation program.
Yes, like I said, this really improved our confidence, especially when doing pancreas. I was a bit scared to do pancreas before, and I haven't really seen any. So this really boosted my confidence. Yes.
So ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റിയത് is like very limited theory, and because of the less number of candidates we are getting more hands-on time, so that was one good thing.
It's actually a very brave attempt. It's a very nice, commendable attempt actually. This is my actually first attempt in a simulation model, so it came off well actually.
Actually, they've covered everything, right from pre-procedure counseling, what medications to stop, what to give, post-procedure counseling, what to expect. I think FNA and biopsy, as much as they're concerned, everything is covered in this counseling. So I'm happy that they've covered everything.
It was a great experience for me personally and to train the delegates also.